Thank you.
EDO 2020. Royal fathers for Esan North-East don endorse Obaseki as dem assure am of their support and give am chieftaincy title. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) campaign team don carry campaign waka enter Esan North-East local government ahead of the September 19 election as dem don already finish with Edo North. The campaign team wey Governor Godwin Obaseki lead, the party campaign council chairman Dan Obi, Edo State House of Assembly Speaker Frank Okiye and other ogbonge pipo for the party na im visit the palace of Urumi of Urumi to go seek for support and permission to talk to the people of Urumi Kingdom. The Onoje of Urumi Kingdom, Zaiki Ansem Aidonoje II, welcomed them on behalf of the chiefs and people of Urumi Kingdom. Say their visit na homecoming sake of the ogbonge relationship wey dem get with the kingdom. He thanked the governor for the opportunity wey give their pikin wey dem take elect am as the honourable speaker of Edo State House of Assembly. He talk this one as he mention some of the ogbonge things wey the governor don do for Urumi for less than 4 years wey he don take dey office. Say the only way wey dem go fit take thank am na with their PVC.
Your visit this morning is homecoming. Let me thank you for the role you played, the support you gave to our son, who eventually was elected Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly. Your Excellency, in your less than 4 years tenure as governor of Edo State, you have done so many good things for Urumi. You have turned over 10 roads in Urumi. You brought School of Agriculture to Urumi. You are doing water project for us in Urumi. So we have no reason not to say thank you to you. I believe strongly, Your Excellency, that God will always win. Yes. Once again, on behalf of all of us in Europe, I welcome you.
The governorship candidate and governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, thanked the palace for the way dem take welcome them. Say Urumi na the heartbeat of Esan politics. He yarn some of the things wey the administration go do during the one way they don already do before they comot for office for 2024. Say make them vote for am so that it go fit free Edo State from the hands of people wey wan control the state.
So we can never underplay and underrate the role of Urumi in the political development of Esan and the role of individuals from this kingdom in the life of our national politics. And that is why I have no doubt in my mind, in our own modest way over the last 4 years, tried as much in terms of physical development of Urumi. There's still a lot to be done, and by the grace of God, we will do as much as we can. The stadium you talked about, it means that has not been forgotten. In fact, we're upgrading it into the second tier stadium because we have 3 categories: the main one, and the second tier, and the mini stadium. But my deputy said I should get a commitment from you that you will support the Urumi Football Club. Because we want to have a local league here. So now that I have a commitment that you will support the local league, Urumi United, we will make sure that before the end of the year we complete that stadium.
The palace give the governor and the deputy chieftaincy titles as the royal father bless and pray for them.
Thank you very much. Thank you. The genuine public.
Na still on top the campaign waka, na the campaign team take carry waka enter the palace of the Onoje of Uzea Kingdom, His Royal Highness Solomon Itoya. The royal father and the chiefs thank Governor Godwin Obaseki for the better things wey he don do for the land. Say them go support am for him re-election. Plus say him be plan to give the governor chieftaincy title, but he go wait till the 50th anniversary for office.
You know, when you first of all came in 2016, I told you, I don't know why you are stressing yourself campaigning. You are already the governor of Edo State. By the power of God and our ancestors, that prayer came to pass. Yes. And you are here today again. I was preparing to give you a chieftaincy title today. I want to assure you your 50th anniversary, just for you to know that by the power of God and our ancestors, that we say our people, if there's anything more than 100%, we are going to give it to you.
Governor Godwin Obaseki thanked the royal father for their reception and support. He still mentioned some of the plans wey him administration get for the land.
I want to thank you for receiving us this afternoon. Coming here is like coming home. All I can say to you is that I have no choice but to continue to support and cooperate with you. Because the successful reign is something that will give me the greatest pleasure. Issue of the schools, that is our priority. I want to assure you that the schools will automatically be part of Edo Best. If they are not, we will make sure that we have the requisite number of teachers in the community, from the community, to teach in the schools. You know you promised me that you will give me land. With the train station being, not too far from here, we have to sit and look at an agricultural program, massive, very massive agricultural program around here. If you can make the land available, we will make the resources available.
With the power of God vested on me and our ancestors, I pray this day that Godwin Obaseki and Comrade Philip Shaibu, they remain the governor of Edo State. Amen. We shall succeed in this election, and your election shall be peaceful.
Amen. This na the ogbonge informate wey don bring come give una on top inside Edo today, as royal fathers for Esan North-East local government don endorse Obaseki as dem assure am for their support and give am chieftaincy title. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Aisosa Osayi.